is the wall mount grocery bag dispenser. You know all those plastic grocery bags you keep in an overstuffed drawer? Well, no more. This dispenser can hold up to 30 bags and keeps them handy for reuse. Just tuck bags through the top opening like this. When you need to use one, pull it out of the wide dispensing slot. It mounts to the wall or inside a cabinet with screws or adhesive tape. Time to declutter. With the Levoit Classic 300S humidifier, create healthy humidity the smart way. Using the free VSync app, you can control your humidifier from your smartphone and can even connect to third-party voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Rest easy knowing your home and belongings are well cared for, as auto mode keeps your target humidity in place, and the water tank's wide opening makes refills quick and spill-free. You can even add essential oils to the aroma pad for calming fragrances, and bring in a little light for quiet comfort. Refresh your space with Levoit.
Stoning fresh cherries can be a messy and time-consuming job. Multi-Cherry Stoner is a nifty tool that saves time and mess and neatly stones up to 7 cherries in one go. All you need to do is add your cherries to the tray, put on the lid and press down the plunger. and all the sticky juice stays inside the stoner. All the stones are collected in the base, so you stay nice and clean. You can even use it for olives too. When you've whizzed through the prep, just pop the whole thing in the dishwasher. You'll wonder how you managed without it.
The stainless steel Hamilton Beach toaster oven is a great value, offering big features at a small price. With toast, bake, and broil options, adjustable temperature control, and a 30-minute timer with auto shutoff, you have the features of a larger oven without heating up the kitchen. It's great for toasting up to 4 slices of bread, warming up snacks, and even cooking a 9-inch pizza. It uses up to 75% less energy and is 28% faster than a typical kitchen oven. Featuring non-slip feet and a stainless steel exterior, it looks great with any kitchen decor. Save time and money in the kitchen with the Hamilton Beach toaster oven. Now that's good thinking.